Hello and welcome, this is Paul Photography with another episode of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. This time we want to do something pretty easy. All we need is one light source that simulates the sun and a plant that will give us nice shadows. During the shoot I will use a second light source to brighten the background. Let's jump right into it. I put the standard reflector to the strobe and place it with a good distance high in front of the model. Now we just need to put a plant with big leaves between the light and the model's face. Let's go! Then I put another strobe to the back to get some shots with a bright background. Oh, and these are your shots!